video, I have an unboxing from Nextone Beauty. So this is a Korean brand. They have sent me a bunch of stuff and I'm excited to show you guys what I have and what I want to kind of buy. So here are the things that I got. So this here is the hand and foot cream, and it is a biospecule hand cream and a multi-care foot cream. And you get a bonus little baby hand cream as well in here. So I love the packaging of this. It's really gorgeous. And yeah, so it's good to help with like dry skin. So this is going to be good because since I'm a dog groomer, my skin's always dry, especially being in the hot climates and the humidity and stuff in the groom room. So I'm really excited to try these. Look how cute. Yes, 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 hunty. Then we have the Volume Bounce Wrinkle Stick, which I'm excited to try because I'm I know it works for wrinkles and Korean skincare is so good, but I'm maybe it'll fix these bags. Maybe it'll fix the bags. Let's open it up and see. So I'm go on, fix some bags. Oh, she's cute. She's cute. Very beautiful. Oh, maybe it's like a cooling stick. Oh, that feels so nice. Okay. Fix me, please. Oh my god, it's very hydrating. That's super hydrating. Oh my god. Nice, nice. Okay. Because yeah, this is designed to, where is it? Daily elasticity care, makes skin firm. So we'll see how it feels. Definitely feels very hydrating under my eyes, and I'm not mad at it. And then we have an Aqua Moisture Bomb Mask. So this is a sheet mask here. Look at that. Pop off. I haven't had skincare in a while, and this stuff looks pretty freaking good. And this is what I'm really excited for. This is the Cooling Hyaluronic Acid Sport Patch. And this one you put under your eyes. Open the bag, take out the patch. Gently peel off the patch from the negative, confirming the left and right, and stick it to the eye and the cheekbones area. Gently remove the patch after using for a certain period of time. And it is a cooling one. It's got elastic fabric and it's moisture and nourishing. So yeah, that's really cute. I also want to open this. Everything is being hard to open today. My eyes feel amazing, by the way. They feel so good. And that's what you want from skincare products. You want them to feel good. Oh, cute! So there's actually a big pile of them in here. So they're under eye patches. I'm loving the packaging though. The packaging is so freaking cute. So yeah, this was my little package from Nextone Beauty. So thank you so much, Nextone Beauty, for sending all the stuff to me. This is so cute. This stuff's so good. And I'm excited for this, with my anti-wrinkles, because mama doesn't need to get Botox if she can just use this. So yeah, I feel like my bags already look better. I look glowy, juicy. And thanks, Nextone Beauty. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.